This is the most beautiful district in the entire city of Istanbul. So in this video, I'm going to show you around the Balat neighbourhood of Istanbul, which is full of cafes, coffee shops, restaurants, and all these lovely colourful buildings and houses everywhere. So I'm going to take you around this district today. So as you can see, it is full of these cafes and colourful houses, and it is a must visit when you are in the city. It is certainly somewhere that you definitely need to check out when you come to Istanbul. So do click the like button right now, because it really does help the channel grow, and it does help other potential visitors to Istanbul get a chance to get a feeling for what Balat looks like. And as you can see here, lots of cats everywhere too. So if you like cats, definitely check out Balat because they're everywhere. And also please do click the subscribe button now, because again, it does really help the channel, and I do really appreciate everyone who subscribes to the channel. So thank you so much if you've already subscribed, but do click the subscribe button, because again, it does help other people who are coming to Istanbul get a chance to see this video. Now, if you do click on the description, you can book a walking tour of Balat. So Balat again is one of the top places you need to come here, and you can probably see why from this video, because it is a beautiful district of the city. So you can book a walking tour. If you go to the description, click onto the description, you can book a walking tour. So I've got a link to a walking tour of Balat that you can book. So definitely click the description and book a walking tour if you are coming to Balat, because it gives you a chance to learn more about the district. And again, as you can see, it is a stunning place to be in Istanbul. So do drop a comment if you have been to Balat before. Do drop a comment, was it your favourite area of the city? And do drop a comment if you're planning to come, because I'm very interested to know how many of you are planning to come to Istanbul. So drop a comment, and are you planning to come to Balat? Because I definitely recommend you do. It should be definitely in your itinerary. So make sure you plan a trip, a day to Balat, because it is certainly worth it. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and please do click the like button because it does help.